So we have come to Reflection Gallery and Reflection 2.0, and there are 10 plus brands over here. And 10 plus brands ma, there's a footwear brand, there's tableware brand, there are saris available, there are Indian casual wear છે, Indian festive wear છે, heavy wear માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય. 2 jewelry brands here, statement pieces સાથે છે, western jewelry છે, they have ethnic jewelry as well. બહુ જ સુંદર કલેક્શન છે, બહુ જ બધું કલેક્શન છે. So come here, this is Reflection Gallery and only a 2-day exhibition today and tomorrow, that is 26th and 27th of February. અને collection જોવું હોય તો swipe left.
Hi, I'm from Brand Hatse. What I'm wearing, this is our new collection, Breezy Aura. Then we have sleeveless dresses. Then we have cord sets, which you can use it in office wear as well. We have shirts. We have bags. And we have some other bags as well.
Hi, this is Ruchika from Karikala. So we have a wide range of whites over here that we have different shades. We have different patterns in this. Then we have office wear. We also have cord sets and all the fabrics. We have short tops for people, and we have also shirts along with that. We have some festive wears that I am wearing, and the colors can be customized. We have 3-piece set in the festive too. And this entire rack that we have has flat 20%.
So this is brand Rajvi Mashruwala and એમની પાસે dresses માં options છે like these. They also have tops માં options. બહુ જ બધા options છે એમની પાસે. You see something like this as well. Long dresses like these. Something for summers. બહુ જ બધા options છે to choose from. Short style dresses છે એમની પાસે. They also have Indian wear માં options like these. And you can come, you can check their collection out. This is brand Rajvi Mashruwala.
Hi. So in Indian collection we have cord sets. In Chanderi we have different colors. Again we have different designs also. Then we have sharara sets. Then we have shirts. We have shirts with reversible jackets.
Hi, my brand name is Honey. I made this, and today I have a collection of cords, cotton, something what I am wearing. I have colors in that. Travel mate, it's very comfortable. Then I have shirts like this. In that I have color options too. Then I have sleeveless cotton dresses. These are for flat 1500. Then I have tops and shirts for flat 1000. In that also I have many color options and pattern options. Then this is something like mix of cotton cords and everything for flat 2000.
So this is brand Nirvab Ki and they have these kurtas. એમની પાસે આખું Indian wear નું collection છે. You can see these are long kurtas that they have. Different color options છે, different pattern options છે. Something in whites if you're looking for 2-piece sets. They have options in those as well. Something like this Anarkali style ma. They also have these options. એમની પાસે Indian wear માં આવા options પણ છે. Different colors, different patterns. Sizes will be available. Something with dupattas. And they also have saris like these. So this is brand Table Toes ને એમની પાસે footwear માં options છે. You can see mules માં છે, jutis માં છે. Something with heels. These are આખા handwork કર્યા છે આના પર. Double cushioning સાથે છે, so it won't give you shoe bites, it won't ache when worn for a long period of time. They also have these tableware options and they are dishwasher safe, they are microwave safe. એમની પાસે bowls, plates, glasses, tissue stands, બધા જ options છે. They also have these combos which are available at discounted prices, so you can come here, you can check their collection out. So this is brand Miswa, and they have statement jewelry. They also have ethnic jewelry options. They have earrings. They have long neck pieces, something heavy neck pieces. One options are available. They also have wooden bangles like these. This is part of their new collection, and they also have stoles and scarves. जो flat 450 में available है.
This brand is Kanisha Designs and we have cotton casual collection also in आप अगर 2 से ज़्यादा लेते हो तो आपको 10% ऑफ मिलेगा. Then we have cord sets, single kurtas also, then something in muslin, then festive also. इसमें भी आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा अगर आप 2 से ज़्यादा परचेज करते हैं तो. मैं आपको ग्लिम्स दिखा देती हूँ कलेक्शन की. फिर कॉर्ड सेट्स भी है, कुर्ता पैंट्स भी है, बजट फ्रेंडली रेट्स में भी 3000 तक की रेंज में भी है. मोडाल सूट्स भी है, मलचंदेरी भी अवेलेबल है, कुर्ता पैंट्स भी है. सब पर 10% ऑफ है अगर आप 2 से ज्यादा परचेज करते हैं तो.
Welcome to Rhythma's Gallery. So we have bangles, bracelets, danglers, jhumkas, neck pieces, chokers, malas, pendant sets, rings, tops, nose pins, bola, chains, every jewelry you need for any festive season.
Hi, this brand is Sri Vaishnavi collection. We have tussar sarees, we have tissue dual tone sarees, something like this, something like this. In jutes, something for cocktails,